This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sherry Massingle. Lovely first floor condo in immaculate condition. Open floor plan makes good use of space, with a separate dining area next to the kitchen. The flex space adjacent to the living room and patio can be a second bedroom with addition of a single wall. It was left open as a builder's option. Good quality wood laminate flooring throughout. Updates include a new air conditioner unit, 2019, new bath fitter enclosures in both baths and new full-size washer and dryer. Primary bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet. Enclosed patio has air conditioner unit for year-round comfort, included as a convenience to the buyer, along with a living room TV and dining room mirror. New roof being installed has been paid for. Amenities include clubhouse with heated pool, tennis courts and shuffleboard. Xfinity basic cable also included. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Massingle at 954-369-0200.